बेंगलुरू 9 ते 11 जून मजगती जाल्ल्या 18व्या चॅम्पियनशिपान गोयच्या आकाश फुलकार हांणी भाग घेतिल्लो. तांणी 5 इव्हेंटांनी भाग घेतिल्लो. ताका 5 इव्हेंटांनी भांगरा पदक फावो जाला. आपल्याक अभिमान आसा गोंया खातीर प्रतिनिधित्व करपाक संद मेळ्ळी म्हण. हाचें श्रेय दृष्टी लायफ सेव्हिंग कंपनीक दिता म्हण आकाश फुलकार हांणी म्हळां. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Hello, myself Akash Fulkar. I had participated in 18th National Pool Life-Saving Championship which was held at Wilson Garden, Bangalore from 9 to 11 June 2023. I had participated in 5 events, that is 200-meter obstacle, 100-meter obstacle swim, 200-meter super lifesaver, 50-meter mannequin carry and 100-meter rescue medley. Out of these 5 events, I have received gold medals in all 5 events and also a individual championship in masters category. It is very proud moment for me because I have represented Goa at national level and won an individual championship at masters category. So I give all my credits to my company, Drishti Life Saving Private Limited. I've been working in Drishti Life Saving Private Limited as a lifeguard instructor. So they have always encouraged me to participate in such events. And it's a proud moment for me to participate in such an event. And apart from me, 2 more guys had won the medals at national level. Their names are Sachi Gramapadaya and Xavier D'Souza. So this competition is a pool life-saving competition which involves swimming as well as life-saving techniques. So I urge our Goan swimmers to participate for such events and get more medals for Goa. So all the very best, people.